Thursday, February 22nd, 4:02 p.m. New York time. Going to discuss Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, blockchain. First, we'll go over Bitcoin itself, Bitcoin that trades in the futures market, not the Bitcoin that trades in the crypto exchange. Symbol / Bravo Tango Charlie. Yep, this trades off the CME futures exchange. Looking at a 5-year chart, each candle's a week. This is the history of it. Going to go look at the market cycles, identify what we're currently in. Here's the low this year, this yellow horizontal line. Here's the high, 2021. We are not at all-time highs. Nope. We're currently in a markup phase. Recently took out the high of this year, which was here. A lot of chop occurred back here. So notice the low of the year was a bullish pin bar. This week, currently, is a red candle, but it made a higher high than last week. But notice a smaller trading range, very small. From the top to bottom, tiny. These two prior weeks, huge trading ranges. That's a concern. Again, this candle will close Friday, 5 p.m. Then we'll see how it forms. The momentum is currently up, higher highs, higher lows. Again, that's concerning. And if it closes red, even green inside this prior body, that's concerning. More bearish bias. Getting tired to the upside. So since this cryptocurrency got approval from the U.S. regulatory agency, there are now stock ETFs that offer cryptocurrencies. So instead of you going outright, go to a cryptocurrency exchange or trading the futures of it, you could buy into those stock ETFs where other companies go and buy those cryptocurrencies. And then you just buy and hold based on those indexes that are the direct underlining. There's several of these now, companies that offer these. Again, going to be looking at weekly charts, but there's not 5 years of history on these because they're brand new. Yep. First one is Alpha Romeo Kilo Bravo. Stock symbols would be here on the top left. So again, we already saw Bitcoin, which you could buy on your own. New high of the year and above, took out the high of last week. But here is stock ETF. Again, these are companies that manage these, got them listed on the stock exchange. Yep. When they did their opening, they're dumped and reversed. Again, it's not taking out the high of last week yet. Point is, big 2 prior weeks and currently here. So the next Bravo, India, Tango, Bravo, same thing. Bravo, Romeo, 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 same pattern. Again, they're all companies competing against each other. There might be a little difference in them. One maybe has more leverage on their financial instruments. They may be more heavily weighted on Bitcoin or PTC or other cryptos. But again, similarity, here's another one. Bravo, Tango, Charlie, Oscar, inside candle for the week. Bravo, Tango, Charlie, Whiskey, inside candle for the week. This one's been around longer. Same pattern for the year. One of the big differences is the prices of these products. Yep. Most of them Well, you can see quite a few of them are near the $50, and then there's lower ones, 14, 8. Not very impressed. Nope. Not necessarily one performing better than the other. There's more. Let's go look at some of the other ones. Echo Zulu Bravo Charlie. Same pattern. Look at that. Next one. Foxtrot Bravo Tango Charlie. Same pattern. Here's one that's been around for longer. Golf Bravo Tango Charlie. Similar pattern. The other one. Hotel Oscar Delta Lima. Same pattern. And India Bravo India Tango. Similar pattern. Nope. Not impressed. Not impressed. So those are the major Bitcoin stock ETFs. Takeaway is there's better financial instruments to trade, invest in compared to these. Now let's go look deeper at blockchain stocks that have been listed on the market longer. These blockchain stocks I'm going to show you, they're not all necessarily 100% focused on doing blockchain. Part of their business, product, or service has a correlation that they're involved in blockchain. So they get listed as blockchain. And when they first came out, they were all the hype. First one, Bravo India, Tango India, ProShares Trust, short Bitcoin. Yep, it's an inverse. Last week was the new low for the year. Inverse. So again, if you think Bitcoin's going to go down, well, then this will go up. And we know currently Bitcoin's trending up. So again, inverse product. Next one, Bravo India, Tango Oscar. This is the bullish one of the Bitcoin. Same pattern. See that? Again, $24.60, $24.60. And the next one, Bravo Tango Charlie Sierra. Got penny stock. Garbage. Here's the low for the year. Here's the high for last year. And look at the history of it. Next one, Delta Sierra Sierra. Wow, look at that price. Let's double check, make sure this is still trading. Yep. Penny stocks. Big move that first week of the year, and then it declined. Look where it came from. Almost $60 down to a penny stock. Next one, Foxtrot Tango. And penny stock. Not high too. And another one, Grow. Golf Romeo Oscar Whiskey. Here's the high, $12.89. Since then, it's down to the penny stocks. Garbage. New low for the year it made. Not impressed. Again, they were all pump and dump at the beginning. Let's go on to look at some more. Mike Alpha Romeo Alpha Marathon Digital Holdings. High up there, $83.45. Here's the low this year. Here's the high of last year. Not impressed. No. A lot of selling up here too. Next one. Mike Sierra Tango Romeo. Here's that high, $1,315. Wow. Here's the low this year. And again, similar pattern, just like crypto. Bitcoin. Yep. Currently $713. Next one, Riot, Romeo, India, Oscar Tango. The high being $79.50. Have you heard of this company? Yep, it was a pump and dump. And here's the low this year. Still below the high of last year, below all these highs. It's garbage, $15.73. It's dumping already, struggling there. Next one, Sierra, Oscar, Sierra. A high of $18 here. High of $15.88 there back in 2021. And just a few weeks ago, made a new low for the year. It's a penny stock. Garbage. Again, penny stocks, anything under $5 is considered a penny stock. Next, X-Ray November Echo Tango. The high of 2021 was $11.22. And look at it now, another penny stock. Near the low of the year. Garbage. Next one. Hope we already did that one right. That one. That one. Okay. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of your time with me. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.